The Komondor, also known as the Hungarian Komondor or Hungarian Sheepdog, is a large and distinctive breed of dog that originated in Hungary. Its history can be traced back several centuries, and it has been primarily used as a livestock guardian. The exact origins of the Komondor are not entirely clear, as it has a long history and its development predates written records. It is believed to have descended from the Tibetan dogs that accompanied the Magyars, the nomadic people who settled in Hungary around the 9th century. These dogs were known for their guarding abilities and were used to protect livestock from predators, such as wolves and bears. Over time, the Komondor breed was developed and refined in Hungary through careful selection and breeding. Its distinctive corded coat, which resembles long dreadlocks, is one of its most recognizable features and provides excellent protection from harsh weather conditions and potential predators. The Komondor's primary role was to guard and protect livestock, particularly sheep, in the Hungarian countryside. It would live with the flock, blending in with the sheep and using its imposing appearance to deter predators. The breed's size, strength, and fearlessness made it an effective guardian and helped it gain a reputation as a reliable and protective working dog. The Komondor was recognized as a distinct breed in Hungary in the 1920s and gained international recognition in subsequent years. It was introduced to other parts of the world and became increasingly popular as a unique and loyal companion, as well as a guardian of homes and families. Today, the Komondor is still used for its original purpose in some rural areas, but it is also kept as a companion dog in many households around the world. Its distinct appearance, intelligence, and protective instincts continue to make it a cherished and respected breed. The Komondor is a large and muscular breed with an imposing presence. Here are the typical height and weight ranges for adult Komondors. Height: male Komondors typically stand between 27.5 to 31.5 inches, 70 to 80 centimeters, at the shoulder. Female Komondors are slightly smaller, ranging from 25.5 to 29.5 inches, 65 to 75 centimeters, in height. Weight: the weight of adult Komondors can vary depending on their gender and overall build. Males usually weigh between 100 to 130 pounds, 45 to 59 kilograms, while females typically weigh between 80 to 110 pounds, 36 to 50 kilograms. It's important to note that these are general ranges, and individual Komondors may fall outside of them. Additionally, proper nutrition, exercise, and overall health play a significant role in determining a dog's size and weight. Raising a Komondor, like any other dog, requires time, effort, and dedication. Here are some essential tips for raising a Komondor. Socialization: start socializing your Komondor puppy early on. Introduce them to various people, animals, sounds, and environments to help them become well-rounded and confident adults. Positive experiences during socialization will help prevent shyness or aggression. Training: begin training your Komondor from a young age. They are intelligent but can be independent and stubborn, so consistent and patient training methods work best. Use positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats, praise, and rewards, to motivate and encourage good behavior. Exercise: provide regular exercise for your Komondor to keep them physically and mentally stimulated. They are an active breed, so daily walks, playtime, and access to a securely fenced yard are important. Mental stimulation through puzzle toys or obedience training can also help keep them engaged. Grooming: the Komondor's unique corded coat requires special care. Start the grooming routine early to get your Komondor accustomed to the process. Regular brushing and separating the cords will prevent matting and keep the coat healthy. Bathing should be done when necessary, ensuring the coat is thoroughly dried afterward to avoid moisture-related skin issues. Strong leadership: establish yourself as a firm and consistent leader for your Komondor. They have a protective nature and need to know their boundaries and your expectations. Consistent rules and boundaries will help them understand their role within the family and reduce any potential guarding instincts. Health care: schedule regular veterinary checkups for vaccinations, parasite control, and overall health monitoring. Komondors are generally a healthy breed, but it's essential to maintain their well-being through proper nutrition, regular exercise, and preventive healthcare. Secure environment: provide a secure and safe environment for your Komondor. Ensure your yard is securely fenced to prevent them from roaming, as they have a natural instinct to guard and protect. Komondors should not be left unsupervised in public spaces, as their guarding instinct can make them wary of strangers and other animals. Loving and consistent attention, Komondors are loyal and devoted dogs that thrive on human companionship. Provide them with love, attention, and consistent interaction to strengthen the bond between you and your dog. Remember, raising a Komondor requires commitment, patience, and understanding of their unique characteristics. Providing a loving and structured environment will help them grow into well-rounded, happy, and healthy dogs. Komondors, like other dogs, communicate their emotions through various signs and actions. While it can be challenging to determine their exact emotions, there are general behaviors that can indicate whether a Komondor is happy or sad. Here are some signs to look for. Signs of a happy Komondor. Tail wagging. A wagging tail is often a sign of happiness in dogs. If a Komondor's tail is held high and wagging in a relaxed manner, it indicates contentment and joy. Playfulness. Happy Komondors are often eager to engage in play, whether it's chasing toys, playing fetch, or participating in interactive games with their owners. Relaxed body language. A happy Komondor will have a relaxed posture with loose muscles. Their body will be in a neutral position, neither tense nor hunched. Bright eyes and open mouth. When a Komondor is happy, their eyes appear bright and alert. They may also have an open mouth with a relaxed expression, sometimes resembling a smile. Interest in the surroundings. A happy Komondor will show curiosity and interest in their environment. They may explore their surroundings, sniff, and engage with people or other animals in a friendly manner. Signs of a sad or unhappy Komondor. Withdrawal or isolation. If a Komondor is feeling sad or unhappy, they may withdraw or isolate themselves from people or other pets. They might spend more time alone or seek a quiet, secluded spot. Decreased appetite or changes in eating habits. Loss of appetite or changes in eating habits can be an indication of sadness or underlying health issues. If your Komondor suddenly loses interest in food, it's essential to monitor their behavior and consult a veterinarian if the behavior persists. Excessive sleeping or lethargy. While dogs do sleep a significant amount, excessive sleeping or prolonged periods of lethargy can be a sign of unhappiness or illness. If your Komondor is consistently unenergetic and lacks enthusiasm for activities they previously enjoyed, it's worth investigating further. Avoidance or avoidance behaviors. Unhappy Komondors may avoid eye contact, physical touch, or interactions. They might shy away from attention or exhibit submissive behaviors. Changes in behavior. Any sudden changes in behavior, such as increased aggression, excessive barking, or destructive behavior, can be indications of unhappiness or distress. It's important to identify the cause and address it accordingly. Remember, every dog is unique, and their behaviors can vary. It's crucial to observe your Komondor's overall behavior and consider any changes in their environment or routine that may be contributing to their emotional state. If you have concerns about your Komondor's happiness or well-being, consulting with a veterinarian or professional dog behaviorist can provide further guidance. Like all dog breeds, Komondors are prone to certain health conditions. While not all Komondors will develop these diseases, it's important to be aware of the potential health issues that can affect them. Some common health concerns in Komondors include hip dysplasia. This is a genetic condition that affects the hip joints, causing improper development or degeneration. It can lead to lameness, pain, and arthritis. Progressive retinal atrophy, PRA is an inherited degenerative eye disease that causes progressive vision loss and can eventually lead to blindness. Entropion is a condition where the eyelid rolls inward, causing the eyelashes to irritate the cornea. It can result in eye discomfort, excessive tearing, and potential corneal damage. Gastric dilatation volvulus, GDV, commonly known as bloat. GDV is a life-threatening condition in which the stomach fills with gas and twists. It requires immediate veterinary attention and can be prevented by feeding multiple smaller meals, avoiding vigorous exercise after meals, and using slow feeders. Hypothyroidism. This is a hormonal disorder where the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormones. It can cause symptoms such as weight gain, lethargy, hair loss, and skin issues. Skin allergies. Komondors can be prone to skin allergies, including environmental allergies, atopy, and food allergies. Symptoms may include itching, redness, hair loss, and skin infections. Otitis externa. Komondors, like many other breeds, are susceptible to ear infections due to their hanging ears and dense coat, which can trap moisture and create an environment for bacterial or yeast growth. Regular veterinary checkups, a balanced diet, proper exercise, and good grooming practices can help maintain the health and well-being of Komondors. It's important to work with a responsible breeder who performs health screenings on their breeding dogs to reduce the risk of inherited diseases. Early detection, prompt treatment, and preventive measures can significantly improve the quality of life for a Komondor. The diseases commonly found in Komondors, as mentioned previously, are generally not contagious to humans. However, it's important to note that some conditions, such as certain skin infections or parasites, can be transmitted between dogs and humans. Here are a few examples. Dermatophytosis, ringworm. Ringworm is a fungal infection that can affect the skin of both dogs and humans. It is contagious and can be transmitted through direct contact with an infected animal or contaminated objects. If your Komondor has ringworm, it's essential to take precautions to prevent its spread to humans. Sarcoptic mange. Sarcoptic mange, caused by the Sarcoptes scabiei mite, can affect dogs and humans. The mites can be transmitted through close contact with an infected dog. However, the mites typically do not establish a sustained infestation on human skin and usually cause temporary skin irritation. Zoonotic bacterial infections. Some bacterial infections, such as methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, can be transmitted between dogs and humans. These infections are usually acquired through direct contact with an infected animal or contaminated objects. It's important to practice good hygiene and take necessary precautions when dealing with any health issue in your Komondor or any other dog. If you have concerns about the potential transmission of a specific disease or infection, it's best to consult with a veterinarian or healthcare professional for appropriate guidance and preventive measures. The treatment of diseases in Komondors, as with any dog, depends on the specific condition they are experiencing. Here are some general approaches to treating common health issues in Komondors. Veterinary care. It is crucial to consult a veterinarian for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plan. A veterinarian will conduct a thorough examination, possibly perform diagnostic tests, and provide guidance on the best course of action. Medications. In many cases, medications are prescribed to treat various health conditions. This can include antibiotics for bacterial infections, anti-inflammatory drugs for joint issues or allergies, or specific medications for managing thyroid disorders or eye diseases. It is important to follow the veterinarian's instructions regarding dosage and duration of medication. Surgical intervention. In certain cases, surgery may be required. For instance, if a Komondor is diagnosed with hip dysplasia, they might undergo surgical procedures such as hip replacement or joint surgery to improve their mobility and alleviate pain. Management and lifestyle changes. Some conditions can be managed or improved through lifestyle changes. For example, dietary modifications can be beneficial for dogs with food allergies or sensitivities. Weight management and exercise plans can be implemented for dogs with joint issues or obesity. Ongoing monitoring and follow-up. Regular checkups with the veterinarian are important to monitor the progress of treatment, make adjustments if needed, and ensure the overall health of the Komondor. It is worth noting that each health condition requires a specific approach to treatment, and the guidance of a qualified veterinarian is essential. Additionally, preventive measures, such as regular vaccinations, parasite control, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, can help reduce the risk of certain diseases or catch them at an early stage. Remember, if you suspect that your Komondor is unwell or exhibiting any concerning symptoms, it is best to consult with a veterinarian promptly for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Komondors are known for their loyalty to humans. They have a strong protective instinct and are deeply devoted to their families. This loyalty is deeply ingrained in their nature and is one of the defining characteristics of the breed. Komondors are known to form strong bonds with their owners and are highly protective of them and their property. They have a natural instinct to guard and protect, and this loyalty extends to their human family members, whom they consider part of their flock. Their loyalty manifests in various ways. Komondors are watchful and vigilant, always on the lookout for any potential threats to their family or territory. They are typically wary of strangers and may be reserved or aloof with people they don't know. However, with proper socialization and training, they can learn to differentiate between genuine threats and harmless individuals. Komondors are also known to be very affectionate and loving towards their human family. They thrive on human companionship and often enjoy being in close proximity to their loved ones. This loyalty and devotion make them excellent family companions and protectors. It's important to note that the loyalty of a Komondor can also make them somewhat independent and strong-willed. They are not typically submissive or eager to please like some other breeds. Establishing a strong leadership role and providing consistent training and guidance is important to help them channel their loyalty in a positive and manageable way. Overall, the loyalty of a Komondor is a cherished trait that endears them to their owners and makes them dedicated and protective companions. Komondors, like other dogs, require a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain their health and well-being. Here are some key points to consider when feeding a Komondor. High-quality dog food. Choose a high-quality commercial dog food that is specifically formulated for large breeds or working dogs. Look for a brand that lists meat or meat-based ingredients as the primary sources of protein. Avoid foods that contain excessive fillers, artificial additives, or byproducts. Protein. Komondors benefit from a diet rich in high-quality protein sources. Protein helps support their muscle development and overall health. Good sources of protein include chicken, beef, fish, and lamb. If you prefer a homemade diet, consult with a veterinarian or a veterinary nutritionist to ensure it meets the nutritional requirements of your Komondor. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for active dogs. Look for dog foods that contain wholesome carbohydrates such as sweet potatoes, brown rice, or whole grains. However, be mindful of the carbohydrate content as excessive amounts can contribute to weight gain. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are an important part of a Komondor's diet and can be beneficial for their coat and skin health. Look for foods that contain sources of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, such as fish oil or flaxseed oil. Portion control. Proper portion control is crucial to prevent overfeeding and weight gain. Follow the feeding guidelines provided by the dog food manufacturer, but keep in mind that individual Komondors may have different metabolism and activity levels. Adjust the portion sizes based on your dog's age, activity level, and overall condition. Regularly monitor your Komondor's weight and body condition to ensure they maintain a healthy weight. Fresh water. Always provide fresh, clean water for your Komondor. Make sure the water bowl is easily accessible and refilled regularly throughout the day. It's important to note that the specific dietary needs of a Komondor may vary depending on factors such as age, activity level, and any underlying health conditions. Consulting with a veterinarian or a veterinary nutritionist can help you determine the best diet plan for your individual Komondor.